Want to make quick and secure payments with your Samsung phone? Adding your credit or debit card to Samsung Wallet allows for convenient contactless and online payments. In this guide, I'll show you how to add a card to Samsung Wallet. To add a card, open the Samsung Wallet app on your Samsung smartphone. Tap the Add button or the plus icon to start adding a new card. Select Credit Debit Card as the type of card you want to add. You can often scan your card using your phone's camera, or you can manually enter the card details, the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Confirm your billing address if prompted. Finally, your bank will likely require verification. This might involve receiving a one-time code via SMS, email, or a call to your bank. Once verified, your card will be added to Samsung Wallet and ready for use in stores and online. And there you have it. Adding a card to Samsung Wallet is fast and secure. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.